Hey guys, welcome to Reactivate channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you reactivate your Instagram account. So let's continue to Instagram. After going to Instagram, you can see the second option, log into another account. Click on the second option. After clicking on second option, you can see two boxes here. In the first box, you can put your username, email address or mobile number. I'm just putting mine. And in the second box, you need to put your password here. After giving your password, click on login, the blue button. Here you can see by just logging in, your ID will be reactivated again. So guys, this is how can you reactivate your Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.